Hi, I'm Adriana Rios, an art instructor with the Art Museum of South Texas. Welcome to our virtual art camp, lesson 3 of Animation Fascination. Today we're going to be making a flipbook. So what exactly is a flipbook? Well, it's simply a drawing, a 2D drawing of a character, maybe your favorite animated character, that is drawn repeatedly on multiple pages with slight variations. So whenever you flip them, it looks like he's moving or roaring. Okay, so in your kit, you will find a stapled booklet that you will draw on. And at home, you will need a pencil, a pen, and an assortment of either markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you want to color your creation. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is grab a pencil. It's always nice to start in pencil instead of pen. That way, if you make any mistakes, you can very easily fix them. In the same note, you will want to draw lightly until you are happy with your image. So as you can see from my example, I made a very happy dinosaur. So you can draw whatever you want, either your favorite animated character or make up a character of your own. Have some fun with it. You might want to save this first page for your title. If not, go ahead and draw your character on here. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of create a title here. And do kind of a fun little design, and we can color this later. So I'm going to do the loudest T-Rex. So now on our second page, I'm going to imagine what that T-Rex is possibly going to look like. Again, still continuing with my pencil. And also take into account the size of your page. So I'm just going to very quickly sketch out a little T-Rex here. Give him some character. He has a little belly, that's okay. And some big eyes. Give him his spikes. Okay. Like that. There. All right. So there's my little loud T-Rex. His little introduction to the world there. So that is my page 1. Okay. So we've got our title, our first page, and then I've started drawing a little bit more. So there's my little dinosaur. He's turned. Now he's getting just a little closer and a little closer and even closer up to our page here. So as we kind of flip it, you can see that he's coming closer to us. So the more pages that you draw, the more details that you do, the better that the story and the flipbook will be. So you can kind of create your own narrative here of what your dinosaur, your robot, whatever it is doing, and just have fun with it. So our next step will be finishing this up and adding some color. All right, so I've added a little bit of color to my flipbook. So as you can see, the loudest T-Rex title now has some color. And then there's our first page. And then I switched his little position to where he's walking. Now he's facing forward to us. And he just keeps getting closer and closer and closer, so that whenever we flip our book, it looks like he's just coming a little bit closer to us. And eventually he's going to roar at us. So what is your flipbook going to be? I would love to see it. So make sure to head over to the Art Museum of South Texas Facebook page, Young at Art, and show us your camp photos and projects of this or anything else that you've done this summer. All right, until next time. Bye, guys.